Hello guys, it's me again, V. Welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm featuring 4 cameras and 1 film. Film is the Fomapan 400 ISO, and the 4 cameras are the Lomography Fisheye lens, the what's this one? The Safari Starshot 35, Fujica Half, and Minolta 7S. So the experiment that I did is I'm gonna use 1 film and 4 cameras. I brought with me a changing bag so that when I had 6 exposures, say in the Lomography, I would like to change it to Safari, and then Fujica Half, and then Minolta 7S. So I went biking to Dow's Lake, where the tulips are, to Experimental Farm and downtown Ottawa, just to see if these cameras work. And just an overview for the cameras that I have. I have this Minolta 7S camera. It's one of my older camera. This one has some problems, and I just would like to know if it really exposes film. So the problem with this one, if anybody can help me, is I can move the aperture ring here. I'm sorry about my nails, but the shutter speed, it doesn't move. So I just decided to put it both in automatic. It works, it exposes, but I'm not sure if it's a proper exposure. I just kind of rely on the selenium thing here to work it out for me. The second one is the Fujica Half. It was featured already in my channel, and still I haven't been able to develop the colored films that I tried with this one, so I decided to go with black and white, see if it does work. It's a really nice camera. It's actually one of my favorite, even though it looks really beat up. It's really cute, and you know, if I used the whole film, I would have made 72 shots, but I'm gonna save some money and buy some more film so that I can try more of this one. This Safari Starshot was given to me by a friend, and I just want to try it out. So it's a free focus free camera. It's really cute. It has this 80s plasticky vibe, which I like. Unfortunately, the flash doesn't work on this one, but still nice. Plus it came with the bag. The last but not least is the Lomography Fisheye. It needed AA battery to have the flash, but I'm not really a fan of flash photography, so I just leave it on. Problem with this one is the film lever, rewind lever doesn't work. So it's a good thing that I have my changing bag that, you know, I can rewind the film if needed. It's actually my first time to use the Fomapan 400. I heard it's a high contrast film, but we'll see the results if it's a really good film for me, or if I mess up this whole process experiment entirely, and we'll see. Okay, let's develop the film and I'll let you know how it all works out.